Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend? Valentine is coming. Where is your girlfriend? Valentine is coming. Back to my channel, guys. I'm just going to take you guys through my supplies that I got for my Valentine promotion coming up, where I'm having cupcakes and cakes on sale at ridiculous prices. So if you have not gotten your order in as yet, this is a perfect opportunity to do so. I'll be cutting off by early next week, I think by Wednesday, final orders. If your order is not in by that time, then I'm sorry, unfortunately I will not be able to fulfill based on what I'm currently seeing right now. All right, so thank you for watching, and do subscribe if you have not done so already. So guys, just getting ready for Valentine's Day. Remember your cupcake and your cake order. So these are all of my mixes for my cakes. All regular cakes. That's the vanilla and the chocolate, red velvet will be produced from these. Yeah, and guys, I add my little touch to these to make it a whole lot better. But yeah, so that's the box with the mixes. And here we have our icing sugar that we're going to be using for our buttercream, our rum buttercream. Got my coffee, because guys, a key to the best set of chocolate cake is some coffee. All right, so shortening for our American buttercream, flour, granulated sugar. Find that I'm going to be using the granulated sugar and the flour in my cheesecake. And there's two types of cheesecake, guys. It's gonna be rum, oh my gosh, it's gonna be Bailey's Oreo cheesecake and also strawberry cheesecake. So this is our chocolate chips. Yes, chocolate chips, our sour cream, cream cheese, our cream cheese filling. Guys, this cream cheese filling is the bomb. I do add my personal touch to it, but it's a very good base to start with. Then we have our strawberries. This is our strawberry filling. This is what I'm going to be using on top of the cheesecake, on top of the strawberry cheesecake, also in the mix of the cheesecake, and also going to be using it in my my chocolate. The chocolate is chocolate with strawberry, so the middle of the chocolate will be filled with strawberry and some Bavarian cream. This is the cherry that's going to be on top of the chocolate. My almond, I haven't gotten my vanilla as yet. My rose and almond, and anybody that knows me knows that I live by this stuff. Guys, it's Bailey's. Yes, so that's our Bailey's Irish cream. I think I still have a few more stuff to get. Oreos, the minis for the top, Oreos for the base. And guys, if a lot of person says that when they eat my cheesecake, it tastes so different, it's because I do my thing a little bit differently. This is my key to my crust. Yeah, you know them butter cookie we used to eat. Well, if you're there near 40, you know, say bird biscuit, that's what we used to call it. Yeah, I've always loved the butter flavor. And when I started baking, when I went to baking school and I started baking, I've always used the butter cookie because I like the flavor that it gives to the crust of my cheesecake. So those are the butter cookie for that. So I'm just walking you through everything. And then there's the packaging for the cupcakes. I haven't gotten the packaging for the cakes as yet. I have some cake orders as well, but I'm gonna get those packaging during this week. And the roses, guys, still have the ribbons to get. Haven't gotten those as yet, but those are coming in this week. And I'm gonna be using these foil containers for the cupcakes. So this is gold, and I also have rose gold. This is 100, and this is 100, so this is 200. I'm not gonna be using any red or any normal pink, or I may just order the red because I like how the red look. But it depends. If I do get in additional orders, I already think I'm gonna be cutting off the cupcake orders based on the amount of orders that I do have for the cupcakes. And this is just a few of the boxes. I still have like 53 more boxes to get for confirmed orders, and right here I have 97. This is my premium wedding cake box. I have a wedding cake for tomorrow, so I'm gonna be using this box for that. Right, let me see if I can get a shot of it. Let me take it out. Yes, so it's a tall box and it has a window, so you'll be able to see the wedding cake through it. I'm wondering though if it's tall enough, because I always have a problem with the length, with the height of my cakes and the boxes. But yeah, this is supposed to be a 12 by 12 by 14, so hopefully it works. The width will work, I'm sure. I'm just scared about the height. So that's that box. So let's give you a wide shot of everything. I still have a few more items to pick up, a few more items to get. Anybody that wants to donate some money, I'll appreciate it. You can just transfer to my account, hit me up. You can get the account number. Don't send it to PayPal because I'm not gonna get that for now. But yeah, you can hit me up, send me some money. Yeah, but your girl doing her thing. I mean, I have to give God thanks. And I also wanted to shout out one special person that really reached out, and she's really done this for me, and I'm really grateful. Nykz. She is a travel agent, guys. You need to book with her. I'm going to link her in my bio so that you can reach out with her, support her, guys, because she is making this possible. Her order for Valentine's cake cupcakes is like 450 of them, and that's 450, so it's gonna be 140 of 3 compartment boxes. I didn't get any 3, you know, they don't really sell 3 cupcake boxes with 3 cones, so I'm using the 4 cones, and we're gonna be putting some chocolate and stuff in there. You know that with mine you're gonna get your rose, and it's nicely decorated. I'm also gonna be doing some personalized stickers to put on her boxes for her staff. So I'm looking forward to working with her and just delivering the best thing. Whipped cream topping, guys. So a lot of persons would use the liquid base whipped cream. I don't. I prefer to use this. The key to using this though is that you have to ensure that everything is chilled. So I always put this in the freezer. I keep this in the freezer. I have my water. I don't use milk because not everybody can consume milk, so I use water and my flavoring. So I always ensure that everything that I'm using with this, and this makes 5 quarts. This is 1 pound. It makes 5 quarts of whipped cream. Everything is cold. My beaters, my bowl, everything that I'm gonna be using with it is always cold, right? And to stabilize it, I'm gonna be using a gelatin, because these are gonna be out for a while. They have to travel because they're different locations, so they're gonna be traveling to the country and so forth. So I'm gonna be stabilizing the whipped cream. Anything else I want to let you guys know? I'm gonna be using sprinkles. Let me just get those. I haven't decided how exactly I'm gonna use the sprinkles as yet. I have them here. I need to sort out this pan, guys. But yes, these are my disposable bags. The sprinkle that I have, I'm gonna be using on a wedding cake tomorrow. And this was sent to me in Christmas. This was given to me courtesy of sweet and savory baking supplies. I really love their sprinkle mixes. But the mix that I'm going to use, I'm going to be using these strawberry flavorings tomorrow as well. For the cake that I'm doing, it's a strawberry with cream cheese and so forth. This mix, this blend is so pretty. Like, so pretty. And I got this from Cake Art JA. Yes, I got these from Cake Art JA. Pretty, guys. Like, I should have bought more. I will be buying more. But I'm gonna be using some of this. And there's one that I got at Brooklyn in their baking section. This one. Also gonna be using some of this one as well as my sprinkle mixes for my cake. I haven't gotten the chocolate. I think my chocolate is almost done, and it's a small one, so I'm gonna be buying some more chocolate sprinkles for my cakes. I don't think I'm gonna be using any gold foil, but if I change my mind, I got a lot. And rose gold foil, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. And I should let you know that the premium box, the one that I'm gonna be using for the wedding, this one came from Cake Arts JA, and these came from Cake Box JA. And I'm telling you, Cake Box JA went out of their way to ensure that I got these boxes. They all already ordered some that I'm gonna need. I should have those by next week, because as I said, it's 140 plus 6. I already have the 6 for the 6-count cupcakes, but they didn't have enough in stock to give me all the color, the pink and white, so they have ordered those for me. So I just want to shout them out and tell them thank you. I really appreciate it. And I'm gonna put together one of these boxes and show you guys how the boxes will look. Guys, if it is that you want cupcakes, I will take an order for another 50 or 60 cupcakes, as in 6 counts. I'm only doing 6 counts. I can also do the 3 counts with chocolate inside, but you have to get those orders in early, guys, because it's a lot that I'm gonna have to do. So I'm gonna be baking 1 batch, decorating 1 batch. So let me know. But guys, yes, this is basically everything for now. If I get additional orders, I may need to get additional stuff, but this right here will take care of the current amount of cake orders that I have, as well as the amount of cupcake orders that I have for Valentine's week. So if you want to not miss out, get your orders in now, okay?